If you run a local business or agency, your Google business profile can literally decide how many calls, leads, and clients you get. And now, GoHighLevel has dropped something incredible. You can optimize your entire Google My Business profile inside your dashboard. No more switching between Google, spreadsheets, and third-party tools. Let me show you how it works. A well-optimized Google business profile helps you rank higher on Google Maps, gets you more clicks, and builds instant trust. But most businesses leave their profile half-done. Missing photos, outdated hours, no keywords. That's lost traffic and lost money as well. Inside GoHighLevel, go to Reputation, GBP Optimization. That's a new feature. This new tool lets you manage every part of your Google profile, from your business information and photos to reviews and social links, all in one place. And here's the best part. You get a profile score that tells you exactly what's missing and a live preview that updates in real time. Here's how you do it. It's super simple. Open your sub account and go to Reputation tab. Click GBP Optimization and connect your Google account. Add or update your business name, description, category, and working hours. Upload professional photos, your logo, cover photo, and team pictures as well. Add your services, social links, and contact number. As you fill these in, your profile score improves automatically. And that means you're more visible in Google now. And you know why this matters? You save time, no need to log into multiple platforms. You make sure your brand looks more professional everywhere. You instantly improve your local SEO without extra tools. It's a small update, but it can make a massive impact on your lead flow and conversions. At Xort Logix, we are already using this feature for our clients, optimizing their Google profiles while automating their CRM and follow-ups in one system. If you want your business to stand out on Google and attract more local customers, we can set this up for you as well. Click the link below or visit our website. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates that actually grow your business.